Title: The Architecture of the Impossible. Ladies and gentlemen, most people tell you that a dream is a destination. They treat it like a pin on a map, something you reach, plant a flag on, and then you're done. But the one to urge that dreaming big isn't about the destination at all. It's about the stretch. When we say dream big, we aren't just talking about the size of price. We are talking about the size of the person you have to become to even glimpse that dream. Why do well play itself? Because the small dreams are comfortable. They don't require us to file in public. They don't demand that we break our own hearts. When things don't go as planned, but a life lived in the comfort zone. It's just a slow way of falling asleep while you are still awake. The secret of the greats, the secret isn't that they nailed the wall win. The secret is that they were willing to be delusional enough to try. Dreaming big means looking at a blank wall and seeing a doorway. It means being okay with people looking at you and saying, "That's impossible," and responding with, "Maybe for you, but let's see what happens when I try." The evolution of the dream. Here is the most important part. Your dream doesn't have to stay the same. As you grow, your dream will grow too. Sometimes the dream you start with is just the fuel to get you to the real dream you haven't even imagination. You haven't even imagined it yet. Don't just dream of being successful. Dream of being useful. Dream of being limitless. Dream of being of reason why someone else decides not to give up. So don't just build a career. Build a legacy. Don't just make a living. Make a difference. The world is full of realistic people. Be the one who did. The world is full of realistic people. Be the one who dares to be unrealistic. Because the impossible is just a word for something that hasn't been done yet. Thank you.